happening right now, the National Hurricane Center is tracking some life-threatening flooding along the Gulf Coast of Texas and Louisiana. We do have footage out of Galveston, Texas, which shows you how much water they're dealing with. Roads are flooded ahead of this storm. This is the first tropical system to form in the Atlantic for the hurricane season. Winds won't reach hurricane level speed, but the storm is expected to bring heavy rainfall for the Gulf and the Deep South. With us now, Director for the National Hurricane Center, Michael Brennan. Thank you for being here. What are the areas of most concern that you all are watching right now?
Well, it's really in terms of the flooding, it's everywhere highlighted in this dark green here that extends from the middle and upper Texas coast across much of Louisiana, southern Mississippi, Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, western Georgia. Those areas are under flash flood watches. And in particular, this area highlighted here in red, which extends from just south of Lake Charles, Louisiana, to New Orleans, Hattiesburg, Montgomery. This is the area that is the highest risk of seeing that more dangerous, potentially life-threatening flash flooding as we go from today into tomorrow and Friday.
Is this the type of system that remains stagnant, which raises the concern for those flood levels, and how soon before it pushes out and then impacts more beyond the areas you're showing?
Yeah, the system itself is really not going to move it's moving very slowly toward the northeast, about 7 miles per hour. So it's going to move inland, currently located along the middle Texas coast, move inland over Louisiana tonight. But even as the surface circulation weakens and dissipates, if you look at the system on satellite, most of the weather is out well to the east. And so that remnant moisture is going to continue to move eastward and northeastward across portions of the Gulf Coast and into the southeastern United States, even after the system itself dissipates.
Talk about the distinction between tropical storms, depressions, and hurricanes, and why some of these systems that we're already seeing are even more dangerous.
Well, they're just classified based on how fast their sustained winds are. Tropical depressions have winds of less than 39 miles per hour. Tropical storms, 39 up to 73 miles per hour. But the wind is not the biggest threat in this particular event. It's going to be that heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall has been the biggest killer from tropical storms and hurricanes in the United States over the last 10 to 15 years. And it almost is entirely unrelated to how strong the storm is from a wind perspective. It just matters how hard it rains and for how long in a given location.
Any predictions for the season so far, with the potential of a first-name storm now, and is this pretty typical for timing?
Yeah, this is pretty typical for an early season system in June along the Gulf Coast. You're not going to typically get a very powerful storm. The environment's usually not that favorable yet, but these kind of weaker, sloppier systems where the rainfall is the biggest threat is pretty typical for early season. And, this is the kind of system we could get quite a few times this year in an El Nino year where the deep tropics are less favorable. We could get some of these more, close to home systems that develop in the Gulf or off the East Coast. So people have to be ready for whatever the hurricane season brings, regardless of what any seasonal forecast says.
Yeah, prepare now, get your emergency plan set in place. Michael Brennan, thanks for the time and for the warning.
Thanks so much.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.